This is Infrared, and we're at Goethals Road and Mobile Home Park Row A in Staten Island, so that you don't have to be. It's Earth Day, April 22nd, 2:15 p.m. and I did not know that there was a mobile home park in Staten Island, let alone providing an official name for a bus stop. Goethals Road North and Mobile Home Park Row A. You can get here on the S40 bus. Well, it didn't make a stop at Goethals Road North and Mobile Home Park Row A. And here we go. Here's Row A and B. Mobile Home Park in Staten Island. EFRO looks newer than, for sale with the numeral 4. That appears to be the end of the mobile home village. a surprise on Staten Island, just off the pedestrian and bike ramp of the Goethals Bridge. This is infrared. This is what you've been watching.